Clean your shower with this paper, and limescale won't settle for 2 weeks. You'll thank me for this trick. Your shower will look brand new, and it's completely free. The best part? No need for expensive detergents or harsh chemicals. All you need is regular baking paper from your kitchen. Take a piece of baking paper, dampen it slightly under running water, and crumple it into a ball. Use it to scrub the glass. Within moments, all the dirt will disappear, and the surface will shine. The difference between the cleaned and untouched sides is unbelievable. Forget wasting money on pricey glass cleaners. Baking paper does the trick. This simple method not only saves money, but is also environmentally friendly. Your bathroom will sparkle, and you'll wonder why you didn't try it sooner. Give it a go, and enjoy a shower cabin that looks as good as new. Once a year, place a sponge inside the shower hose. A plumber taught me this trick. It's the best way to keep your shower working for many years. First, unscrew the hose from the shower head. To do this, loosen the nut at the very end. You can do it by hand. At first glance, you'll notice that limescale and sludge accumulate inside. Next, prepare a regular kitchen sponge. This will be the secret tool needed for this trick. Using scissors, cut off a piece of the sponge. It's important that it's thin. Remove the rough side and trim the edges to make it as thin as possible. Place it in a small bowl and pour vinegar over it. Vinegar has descaling and cleaning properties. Let it soak for a few seconds. Now, push the soaked sponge inside the shower hose. Use a stick to help fit it all the way in. Then, reattach the hose to the shower and turn on the water. The water pressure will push the sponge through, flushing out all the built-up limescale and dirt that has accumulated over the years. These are the particles that usually come out with the water during showers. This sponge trick will clean the hose thoroughly. Limescale, dirt, and even mold can also build up in the shower head. To remove it, put a tablespoon of baking soda inside the shower head, then pour in a little vinegar. Prepare a sealed bag and pour in 1 cup of vinegar and 1 cup of warm water. Place the shower head inside and tie the bag securely, ensuring it is fully submerged in the liquid. The chemical reaction will cause the limescale to detach from the surface. Leave it for half an hour. After this time, you'll see floating bits of limescale in the bag. Reattach the shower head to the hose and run the water to flush out any remaining dirt. With this simple method, you'll deep clean your shower. Limescale won't build up as quickly, and your shower will last much longer. Stop overpaying for expensive services when the solution is already in your bathroom. Start by placing a regular mesh strainer in the sink. Squeeze a generous amount of toothpaste onto it, then pour in a good amount of vinegar. Watch as the fizzy reaction begins. This natural combo works wonders on stubborn buildup that often blocks water flow. Unscrew the shower head from the hose and place it in a plastic bag, making sure it's fully submerged in the mixture. Secure the mesh with a rubber band so it stays in place. Let it sit for about 10 minutes. Wondering why this trick matters? Here's why. After the time is up, screw the shower head back on, remove the mesh, and turn on the water. The solution will have dissolved the limescale buildup inside. As a result, your shower pressure could increase by up to 4 bars in just 5 to 10 minutes. No plumber needed. Try it once and you'll notice the difference instantly. Cleaner, stronger, and much more enjoyable than before. Pour coarse salt down the drain. Once you find out what it does, you'll want to try it today. It's better than 100 plumbers. Take a bowl and pour in a cup of cold water. Add 2 tablespoons of any dish soap. The soap breaks down grease and blocks access to food residues. Now add 1 tablespoon of coarse salt. Salt has antibacterial properties, absorbs moisture, and neutralizes odors. This amount is enough to get the desired effect. Mix everything well until the salt partially dissolves and starts to activate. Use a funnel to pour the liquid into a spray bottle. Spray it into all your drains, in the kitchen, bathroom, and shower. Let me explain how it actually works. This simple homemade solution helps you get rid of tiny drain flies. But that's not all. It also works great against ants and cockroaches. That's because the salt and soap create an environment that dissolves organic residue and forms a natural barrier that repels insects. Regular cleaning alone isn't enough. This simple mix will solve the problem for good, without chemicals and without expensive service calls.
Clean the shower window with this sponge. It will stay clean for 2 weeks. Limescale and residue won't settle. This simple trick saves a lot of cleaning time. Take a regular cleaning sponge. It's important that it's clean and new. Take a dishwasher tablet. Remove the protective foil from it. Then, pull out the protruding ball. Place it on the sponge and cut a rectangle the size of the tablet. Take out the cut sponge and insert the cube in its place. The tablet has a brilliant use for cleaning. The active substances in it work great against limescale and residue. Place the prepared sponge under the water stream. Hold for a moment to soak it well. Clean the dirty shower window with it. No detergents will be needed. With each movement, the tablet will dissolve and remove the residue. Clean the window in circular motions. Then, rinse with running water. A shower cleaned this way will look clean for a longer time. The dishwasher tablet prevents limescale from settling on the glass. Additionally, it shines and protects metal parts. Thanks to this, the bathroom looks like new. The cut sponge is sufficient for several cleanings, making it costs just a few cents.
Always keep this in your shower. It's one of those brilliant uses hardly anyone knows about. Start with a pair of thin tights. They can be old ones you were going to throw away anyway. Tights are stretchy and breathable, making them perfect for this hack. Before you get started, pick a few fresh mint leaves and chop them into smaller pieces. This helps the mint release its strong scent and essential oils more easily. Mint has a refreshing effect and a pleasant aroma. If you don't have fresh mint, you can use dried. Just a handful will do. It works just as well, though the scent will be a bit milder. Now put the mint into one leg of the tights. Tie the prepared tights to your shower head. During your shower, the steam will slowly release the minty aroma, turning an ordinary shower into a fragrant, relaxing session. It's like a natural air freshener that works every time you turn on the hot water. The result is surprisingly pleasant. Do you know what baking soda can be used for in the shower? I use its properties not only for baking cakes. With this simple baking soda mixture, not only will your shower sparkle, but you'll also enjoy a longer-lasting cleanliness without the need for frequent cleaning. I'll show you that just one packet of baking soda will help you get rid of stubborn stains and save a lot of money. Pour the baking soda into a container. Add a bit of dishwashing liquid. Pour a portion of dishwasher rinse aid and the same amount of apple cider vinegar. Pour about half a liter of water over all the ingredients and mix. Foam will be created, which will disappear after a while. Once all the ingredients are mixed, take it to the bathroom. Close the drain in the sink and pour the mixture. Take a sponge, soak it, and start cleaning the shower door, especially the chrome handles. Clean the glass on the door and the remaining walls of the shower cabin thoroughly. Also, clean the shower faucet. All streaks and dullness caused by water and soap scum will come off. Then rinse everything with water. You'll see the results quickly. The water will flow down the glass without leaving deposits and streaks. All spots and lime from the water will disappear and won't reappear as quickly. You won't have to clean the entire shower so often. It will be shiny and clean for much longer. The mixture will leave a protective layer on the glass, and you'll have time for other pleasures.